Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you this text to video or image to video model called as LTXV. The model is of very good quality and it gives all the power to your prompt engineering skills. The better the prompt, the better the video will be. In this video we are going to install it locally and then I will be showing you how you can use it all free, all private, all local to generate videos from your text prompts or image prompts with the help of ComfyUI. If you don't know what ComfyUI is, it is one of the best tools out there which works on workflows to generate videos or images. I already have done a very easy to follow tutorial as you can see on your screen on the channel. Just search with ComfyUI or tutorial on ComfyUI and you should be able to find this video. Make sure that you watch it if you are following along and then you should be able to get it installed and you will be hero from zero if you really don't even know about ComfyUI after watching this tutorial. So I am assuming you already have installed ComfyUI and you are aware of ComfyUI, ComfyUI Manager, its nodes and basic workflow. So this model, which is LTXV, is also available on Hugging Face and then on Civit and I will also show you how you can download it and I will show you all the steps as how you can configure it on your local system. Allow me to give you a very quick background of this model. So this model is a state-of-the-art diffusion transformer based video generation model that has been designed to produce exceptionally high quality and cohesive videos. It supports both text to video and image to video workflows that delivers result at smooth 24 frames per second at a resolution of 768 by 512. One of the model's standout features is its efficiency. Remarkably, it can generate videos with just 8 GB of VRAM, which makes it really accessible to a wide range of users. But I will get it installed. I will show you the actual video RAM consumption on my local system. So it can generate as little as 8 to 10, few seconds videos, and then I haven't found any way to generate very long videos, but I think that is not far in the future. So that's a quick introduction. Let's go and try to get it installed. I will also give a huge shout out to Mast Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So do check them out. So I already have ComfyUI installed. The first step you need to do is to go to this link. It's on Civit AI. This is the actual model. Right click on this blue download button, then save link as, go to your local system wherever your ComfyUI is installed, then go to models, go to checkpoints and then save these saved tensors of this model. You can see the size is just 9.4 gig. That's it. That's the whole model. And then as we also need a text encoder model because we need to convert our text to the format which is understandable by the model. For that we would need text encoder, and this is a text encoder. You just right click, save link as, and then just save it here. You can even use this D5XXL, but I'm just going to go with this ST3 one. Okay, so these are the two models which you need, and also you see that I have saved it in this ComfyUI models and clip directory. So these are two models which we needed, and then the good thing is that Lightricks also provide you a ComfyUI workflow. I will also give it to you, the link to it which you can download. So really good stuff by Lightricks. Really hats off to them. Now I already have loaded that ComfyUI workflow. Again, just to give you a very quick overview what this workflow means. So all of these boxes, these are nodes, and this is how ComfyUI works on the basis of nodes from left to right. Here on the clip one, we have loaded this clip model, which is a text encoder. I have stable diffusion. This is what we downloaded. In the checkpoint, we have loaded this checkpoint, and then this is where we are giving it our prompt, what we exactly want in our video. This is what we don't want in our video, in the negative one. And then we have a sampler and scheduler. They basically control the generation of the video, where you can give the CFG, which is the guidance. This shows how much model is going to follow the prompt. And then there are some height and width of the stuff which you are generating. And then we have some conditioning, some sampler and scheduler. Sampler is Euler, and I think this is producing good videos at the moment. And then there are few steps. You can reduce them, but they get loaded with the default recommended values. And this is the video which we need to, which has been generated from the text prompt: drone footage of a river in a valley, 4K HD, lush green, clear water. And if you look at the video, you can see that how good that looks. Really, really good stuff. Isn't it great? So this is actually model is loaded and it is running. Now let me show you what, when I said that, your prompt is crucial here. So I'm just dragging. Okay, it's not coming. I think it is grouped together. That is fine. I'll show you. Now, one issue you might face is that once you load it, it might not work. In that case, make sure that you go to this manager, click on manager, and then click on update all, because this has been released just late in November. So if you're running an older version of ComfyUI, you need to update everything here. That thing you need. Also, if you click on custom node manager, click on installed, make sure that you have this manager node and helper suite, video helper suite node. These two are must here. I already have installed. So if you don't, just click custom node manager, search it, and then install it. That's all you need to do, and then restart, of course, towards end. So now one thing I want to show here is that what happens if I just remove this 4K HD from here. Let me go here. Sorry, I'm just trying to click here. Okay, now that's better. Let's remove it. And then let me click on Q to see what happens. It is generating, as you can see. Let me show you VRAM consumption. So it is consuming just over 14 gig. So 14.6 gig of VRAM it is using. If you go to their model card, it says 8 GB, but you can see that at least you would need 16 gig of VRAM in order to run it. Maybe with some quantization and stuff, but I'm not sure. I think this is what you can see here. So now I have removed that 4K HD, and look, the quality has gone down. Still not bad at all, but I think if you really want them lush green crystal, so the better your prompt is, the better the video will be. Okay, let's play around with some other prompts. And now look at the quality of this video. It looks so real from an movie, but I just generated it with this text prompt where I'm saying a woman with light skin wearing a blue jacket and a black hat with a wheel. I don't see wheel here. It looks down and to her right, then back up as she speaks. This is really good. She has brown hair, style in an updo. So there is updo there, but then there are trees, and then there are a few people around, and there is no malformation there. This is really, really good stuff. Okay, let me try one more. So I'm just going to say, a middle-aged man with light skin wearing a white lab coat and goggles looks up as he explains. He has short brown hair, a bushy beard, and an enthusiastic expression. The camera zooms out to show his hand gesturing as he speaks. The background shows a cluttered laboratory with various equipment and experiments. Let's see, it is generating it. There you go. Okay, so hands are a bit malformed. For that, we just need to set our, I think this one. So I'll just say, we don't want to see this malformed limbs, and I think that is pretty much good. Let's try one more time to see if it fixes it. So, but you get the idea that the way this model is very prompt oriented. If we want more, coherent videos, cohesive videos, this gives us a lot of power. So that is why I really like about this. And also, if you want to use it other than ComfyUI, just search my channel. I already have covered it in another video where I have shown you exactly that. There you go. Still there's a lot of improvement, but I think much better. Good stuff. Let me know what do you think about this model. I'm very impressed by it. It's really good stuff, really good model. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.